Welcome to this new session of the Signature of Public International Law. We are in the session number 4. We are going to see the Unit 2, Relationship between Public International Law and Domestic Law. The subteam 2.1, Dualism, and also the objective of this session is know the basic elements of the dualism currents. Remember that when you finish this session, on your content, you will have to perform an activity where you will test all your knowledge and abilities of this subject. This will be an essay in which you will write about the dualism and its validity. In this occasion, we are going to talk about dualism. So let's start. First of all, what is domestic law? It is the set of legal norms that constitute a unit within a state. It constitutes the system that provides validity and foundation to the state. Its structure consists of staggered construction of reciprocally supra and subordinate norms, where the norms of the higher level determines the production of the norm of the lower level, until arriving at the basic founding norm that determines the validity of the entire legal order. The internal law for Hans Kelsen is the basic founding norm, and in this way, all the norms whose validity can be referred to the same basic founding norm will constitute a normative order. International law set rules that regulate the action of the states and have been produced through agreements of international community, through international subjects of law. The hierarchy order of internal rules, at last in the Mexican case, is first of all the Constitution, then the general rules, then the regulations in a federal level, then the court rulings, and the administrative resolutions. Also, we are going to see the validity of domestic law in international law, and some theories that explain the link between the domestic and international legal order. The dualism, for example, that is the one that we are analyzing in this session number 4, postulates that the two legal orders, the international and the internal law, are totally different, both in their character and also in their sphere of action, and exist independently of each other as to an autonomous legal system whose relationship is limited to coming into contact without the validity of one depending on another. Also, we are going to analyze the monist current and the coordinator current. The origin of the dualist theory is in Germany and Italy by their own authors, and another name for dualist theory is the pluralistic theory. We are going to analyze the difference in fundamental of validity and recipients in the dualism thesis, and also the differences between the international and domestic legal orders. Also, we are going to analyze the basis of legal obligations of states standards in the dualistic thesis, and also the shared sphere but does not invade between these two currents. The constitution of each state determines the hierarchy of international treaties, and we are going to see 4 systems or kind of systems. So see you in the next session, where we are going to analyze the relationship between public international law and domestic law, but in the currents of monism and conciliatory thesis, and also the Mexican legal system.